Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be going to get some stuff to do my hair. I'm gonna try to install a wig, guys. Never done anything like this in my life. I I've seen a couple YouTube videos and then I reached out to a friend and she told me what to get. So I'm gonna go get glue, a rat tail comb, and a hot comb. That's what it is, right? I hope that's what it is. You know, one of those combs that you. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go get that. So I'm gonna take you guys through this journey with me to install my very first wig that I've never done before, and hopefully it comes out okay. All right, so I went and got the necessary items that I needed, and as you can see, I semi combed out my hair, so it's time to braid it. I saw this YouTuber, after she did this, she kind of like sprayed the front with God's and like brush it to lay it down, you know, get it flat. Before she put her wig cap on. So this is my wig cap, came with the hair. So I'm just gonna try to put this on. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Ooh, child, it's so tiny. Alright, so clearly my head's too big for this cap because I see people be pulling it down in the ears to cut the air out. But how am I gonna do that if it's so small? Can like the wig cap be too small? Like what the fish and chip? Sorry, let me turn that down. So I'm watching the YouTuber that I saw on how to do this. Woof, child, let me tell you. Whoever said this was easy lied. Absolutely freaking lied, because this is not beginner friendly at all when you've never done this before. Remove any of the little excess frayed foundation on it. Like, I don't know how you put this, but I'm just gonna like not make it look like that and try to, yeah, you know, blend it out. Yeah. This is bad. Like, how do I know how far you need to put this on your head? Who knows? So I'm just gonna put it like, I don't know how far you're supposed to know how far back to put it, but this looks fine. Guys, so like if I did any of this wrong, you guys can let me know in the comment section because this is my first time and yeah. Assist me tips. I don't even know if this is gonna look good. I've never worn a wig a day in my life, so that's that. So what do you guys think? Looks decent? And the way I'm pulling it is shifting. So I completely understand why they sew it down now, because like, why is it shifting so much? Yeah. So I get that now. I don't know if it's just me, but I think this wig cap's too small. But I mean, trial and error, right? Because it came with the wig, so I didn't buy any other. So all I did was cut the middle so that I can like cut. But what she said is, don't pull the cap, just lift it up and see where it's not stuck, and then just cut that. So I'm looking over here, guys, because the mirror is here, and the camera is on the completely opposite side. Whew, look at my ears being able to finally breathe. So this is what my wig cap's looking like. Don't look at the sides, because hot mess. Trust the process. Trust the process. So this is the hair. I'm just taking it out the net. So I saw what she did was like she put foundation on the wig itself, like in the lace. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just putting it on the inside of this lace. And I don't know if you're supposed to put it on the whole front part of the lace, but sis, that's what we're doing, because we're trusting the process. That's what we do when we don't know things. We make a mess and trust the process. I did not realize for some reason that she said the one that you're supposed to put on here is your exact foundation, but I put the same foundation that I was putting before. Guys, I got foundation on the wig. See what I said? Hot mess. just got a clip to clip it up. And then we'll focus on this. So pretty much my understanding is that you gotta cut this around your ear. Yeah. Pray for me. But I'm gonna look at the mirror over here because there's a better mirror here. Ready? Wig cap's back. The wig cap might be a little bit too small, but we're gonna make it work, okay? All right, so 2 layers. Is it okay that there looks kind of white? That I could put another layer on? All right, oh well. All right, so I'm gonna do this and then I'll be back. All right, guys, so my last layer is dry. So what she said is you pull this a little bit beyond the glue, you know, and it's about there. I'm not gonna completely brush it down just in case I need to move it. And yeah. So what do you guys think? Did I put it on okay? Can you see like any major thing at the bottom? No? Okay. Let's see what else she says. All right, so sis said, this is where it's gonna get funny, guys, because like, how do I know how to cut this lace? So she said use an eyebrow razor and kind of like, how do I know where to cut? Let me tell y'all, I don't know anything about this, and this is giving me anxiety. Guys, I know this is bad that I didn't show you guys, but I was having anxiety because this is like my first time, and all I did was I try to get as close to the top as possible. Like, I kind of like did I like this because that's how I felt comfortable, and I didn't know how else to do it because Sissy never did this before. So I guess same thing going this way. What I'm trying not to do is like get in where the thing is, but I either have to look here or there because the two mirrors are here and there. So can you guys see better if I do it this way? Can you see? I hope tall guy you guys can see because I'm sorry. Priority for seeing is like me. So this is where the thing is. So I'm just trying to like cut here close enough to it, you know, like that, without like totally cutting the hair. So can you guys see? I'm just gonna clip it off. This little piece right here, I think I'm gonna cut it. So guys, I clearly need to put some more glue here because it didn't stick properly. Like, it's weak. The glue is just kind of weak. But I'm not worried because it's easier to add glue than to subtract glue. So I'm gonna try to do like this side. I did it, guys. Oh my god, look at it. I cut it. So I just need to add a bit more glue. Like in places that I feel like needs glue, like here and then of course this side, because I think that this side needs a little bit of Jesus, you see? I hope I am explaining this properly, what I'm doing, because I don't know, guys, okay? I am new at this. But I'm telling you guys what I am doing, and hopefully that works. And for those of you who don't know how to do this, trust the process. Try to figure it out, trust the process. Do like me and watch a couple of YouTube videos. Or if you got a friend that's into this kind of stuff, you could just like ask them for pointers, which is what I did. Alright guys, so I feel like this is the best that I could have done with these edges. It took me like 20 minutes trying to figure out how to do this shit and how to get it to stay. So I think this is the best that I could have done. Don't look at this one because it's all over the place. Yeah, it's all over the place. So that's just what it is and where it's gonna stay, right? I put some Ebin spray on it and a lot of this. I feel like my head's like paste down. But I don't know. So this is it, guys. Ignore the edges because they're not the best, but I plan to wear it like this so that it covers most of it and people just see like this. And that should be it. What do you guys think? Did I do a good job? What do you guys think? Maybe I feel like maybe it needs a little bit more water on this side. But what do you guys think? Comment, subscribe, leave any feedback you want in the comment section. And for all of those pros out there that know what I did wrong, I want to tell me or tell me how to like do your edges better. Any suggestions, comments, feedback, I'm open to it. Just like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next vloggy vlog. As you guys would be able to see from these videos is that I did kind of thin out the edges, not made it so chunky. But this is what it looked like.